everyone, so today we would be doing a Jelly Belly tour, and this is my family, my mom, my dad, my sister, and me. Now we're driving to Jelly Belly. We are really excited to go there. We would be having a lot of fun. We are now there to Jelly Belly. These are my mom's friends. This is us having some fun. Now we're heading to the gallery room. If you are thinking, why are we wearing those caps? It's because it's compulsory to wear it. This is Statue of Liberty, which is made of Jelly Belly. These are all my friends. This is my mom with President George Washington. It took so many Jelly Belly to make it. Now this is us making some silly faces. This is us having some fun. Now this is in the gallery room. By the way, the whole day we had to have samples and a lot of Jelly Belly candies. It was so fun. Now this is where the factory starts. Now we are with my best friend and my sister. We're playing a Jelly Belly Candy Crush game. This is us having a photo. This is our group photo. Also this one. Here with the huge candy. I wish I could eat the huge candy. So the time has been over. Now we're leaving. That we're gonna go out now. This is the food court, but it's already closed. Now we're heading to the exit point. Also this one, we're going out now. Okay guys, bye-bye till now. And keep on watching our videos and visit new places with us. Bye!